Now let's go to the 5. 6 more weeks of weekend curfews, but we gained 2 more hours on Saturday. Instead of 4, it's now 6. Just continue being safe, please. Wash your hands, wear your mask, and sanitize.
Yes, guys. Jada Kingdom is definitely not playing with her haters. She came out in true Jada style, right? After a recent pic she posted was being criticized online. Now, Jada has been doing her thing, in the gym and eating right. But of course, bad mind, well active, and people saying she's on drugs.
What?
But Jada never is up at all, which is right. Yeah.
So the owners of the party boat that capsized in the grill have been located. Police say they will be questioned and charges laid if necessary. I'm just happy no one died.
Don't it? Jeez. And Khaled has released another one, this time with her and Migos. Shot right here.
Yes, sir.
Look good.
We talked about the next one last week. You did talk about that one last week?
With fire?
Yeah,
Fire, hey! Bad.
Oh, you spoke about that last week?
Bad.
I wasn't here, so I don't know. you spoke about that one last week.
We're talking about it right now, though.
Oh, okay, yes. That one that shot. I don't know, but that song, I don't need to hear anything else. That song, amazing. That video, amazing.
Yeah.
Loved it.
Yeah.
Love the energy, Caperton. Keep the fire blazing. You know the vibes. And finally holding the #1 spot this week, we try to focus on the positives. So we just want to give a huge shout out to the frontline workers who risk their lives every day. They are the real number ones.
Yes, yes.
That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Remember to follow us on IG at TVJ Intense.